Direct versus Indirect Marketing, by Rocky Beavers, www.offlinearbitrage.org. If you are considering the options in terms of your marketing strategy, be sure you know the difference between direct and indirect marketing. Both are effective, but you may prefer one over the other depending on the approach you would like to make toward potential customers with your company. Direct marketing is the popular form in traditional media. Direct marketing is a strategy that businesses use to advertise to their base of potential customers. These are the ads you see on television, in the newspaper, in magazines, and on billboards. The ads are selling something to you as directly as possible. They establish the company, the product, and what you get when you buy the product. Look at any window in the mall and you will likely see several examples of direct marketing. Another example of this can be seen in a movie theater. The previews that appear on screen before your feature presentation are all advertisements that fall under direct marketing. Though it is slightly a different scale, the idea is the same. Indirect marketing. One of the movements happening online is that of indirect marketing. Publishers and manufacturers are catching on to what consumers want, which is proof that they should invest with a company. Indirect marketing is a way to achieve this, as in most cases it provides something of value upfront for free. You will see this with free ebooks, blogs, and videos all dedicated to helping the visitor. If the content provides enough help, the visitor may just check out the rest of the website and sign up for membership area or buy their premium book. Indirect marketing makes use of a funnel pointing toward the area where the business can make money. Another example can be seen with free apps tied to movies. By downloading the app, you may just want to go see or buy the movie. The www.offlinearbitrage.org website will help get your direct mail campaign started. Music by Kevin MacLeod.